faster, tastier, and ultra-processed. But what if I told you that these convenient, ready-to-eat delights might be doing more harm than good? In fact, research suggests that eating too many ultra-processed foods could significantly increase your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Stick around as we break down why your favorite packaged snacks might be playing a sneaky role in spiking your blood sugar levels. First, let's define what we mean by. These are foods that don't just come with a long ingredient list, they come with a science experiment inside. Think sugary cereals, instant noodles, sodas, frozen dinners, and all those chips and cookies that seem impossible to resist. They're loaded with artificial preservatives, colorings, and additives designed to enhance flavor and extend shelf life. But while they last longer on the shelf, they may shorten health span. So how do ultra-processed foods increase the risk of type 2 diabetes? Well, it comes down to three key factors: excessive sugar, unhealthy fats, and refined carbohydrates. First up, sugar overload. Many ultra-processed foods contain hidden sugars, even in foods that don't taste sweet, like bread and pasta sauce. Consuming too much sugar forces your body to release high amounts of insulin, the hormone responsible for regulating blood sugar levels. Over time, this can lead to insulin resistance, a major risk factor for type 2 diabetes. In simple terms, your cells stop responding to insulin properly, leading to consistently high blood sugar levels. And that's bad news. Next, let's talk about unhealthy fats. Many ultra-processed foods contain trans fats and highly processed vegetable oils, which contribute to inflammation and insulin resistance. Inflammation makes it harder for insulin to do its job, further increasing the risk of diabetes. Plus, these fats are often found in deep-fried fast food, margarine, and many packaged snacks. Yikes! And then we have refined carbohydrates. Foods like white bread, white rice, and sugary cereals cause rapid spikes in blood sugar. Unlike whole grains, which contain fiber that slows digestion, refined carbs are quickly broken down into glucose, sending your blood sugar on a roller coaster ride. And trust me, that's one ride you don't want to be on too often. But wait, there's more. Ultra-processed foods aren't just about bad ingredients, they also replace the stuff. When you eat a diet high in processed foods, you're likely missing out on fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that help regulate blood sugar and keep your metabolism in check. It's a double whammy. You get excess sugars and unhealthy fats while missing out on essential nutrients. So what can you do? The good news is that making better food choices can significantly lower your risk of type 2 diabetes. Start by incorporating more whole, unprocessed foods into your diet. Think fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Read ingredient labels carefully, avoid foods with added sugars and artificial additives, and opt for home-cooked meals whenever possible. Your body will thank you. At the end of the day, ultra-processed foods might be convenient, but they come at a cost. Small, mindful changes in your diet can go a long way in protecting your health. So, what's your favorite healthy swap for a processed snack? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more eye-opening health insights.